Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse any browser or use Google Play Store on your Cubot P50. So here let's try downloading any app. And the download actually begins, but there's a pending state and it won't change forever. Next is a Google Chrome. And here, if we try to reach any website, there will be this error. So to fix this, open up your settings, scroll down, find System, Date and Time, and make sure that you're using a network provided time. If we go back to Google Chrome and reload the page, it works perfectly. And the same as with Google Play Store. As we try to install this game, it should start in a few moments. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.